Hi, I'm Tom Hart, and welcome to my studio. This is 8 ways to never run out of ideas. Number 1, anything can be an idea. These are just some strips of paper that I've cut out from previous sketches for old cartoons. There's some text. It says, attempt at magic. Another one says, music, of course. These are very, very simple things. Outside the house is the last one. Number 2, save all your ideas. I throw them into these drawers. Sometimes these are clipped from old notes on my computer. I trimmed them out. I don't know what's in them. Number 3, organize your ideas into categories. This box is quite a few years old. I think it's from the Bush administration. There are characters, Nancy, Bush, Oswald. There are things like sections about robots, sections about Iran, I guess. Just by looking at these, I haven't looked at these in years. But I do know if I'm inside of one category, I can pull out other things from that same category. Number 4, all ideas are innocent until proven guilty. These are ideas, I haven't looked at them in a long time. Playing basketball with a milk carton with a street light blinking on and off. I don't know what that is. I don't know if it's a good idea. It's in there. And before I throw it away and think it's not a good idea, I'm going to try it with something or leave it there for a while. Number 5, combine any ideas at any time. Here's one. It says Extreme Court. I think it's a TV show I had an idea for. Whatever. Mixed with these pictures that were trimmed from old strips of mine. Again, old sketches. Here, this guy's looking at a smelly cheese plate. I don't know. Maybe that could be, instead of swearing you in on a Bible, they swear you in on a stinky tray of Limburger cheese. This guy on the right has to shake somebody's hand. Maybe he has to shake the hand of the guy with the cheese. I don't know. Anything. Number 6, encourage chaos by calling it playfulness. This is a random bunch of Post-it notes I taped into playing cards, and I just like to play around with them and mix them. And something about the playing card aspect feels like a game of solitaire to me. My technology is broken, combines with I have to go to the city, 9 of diamonds, King of hearts. Number 7, don't be afraid to never see an idea again. This is from the binder of writing I did about the book about my daughter. Tons and tons of it. Didn't make it into the book, and I don't know when I'll look at it again, or if it'll ever make it into another book. And number 8, know that you are a fount of ideas, and they will always come. Ideas are just things to explore, or things that you are curious about, or things you want to pay attention to or give attention to. And that's all it is. These are the pieces of any creative endeavor, and you have it inside you all the time. Thanks for joining me. We run a school in Gainesville, Florida. We have workshops in comics and all sorts of other things. Come on down. And we have lots of online courses in storytelling and in drawing and in writing, and I hope you'll check them out. Thanks.